Hi friends, welcome to Unique Concepts. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about how to create indents by using a simple tool called Table of Contents in MS Word. So, whenever we are taking any book, let us take any textbook, the first page will be the index paper, right? So, why we use this index paper? So whenever I am looking for some text, for example, I want some content, I am searching for some content and I'm going through all the textbooks. How to know whether my content is present in the book or not? So by seeing the index paper, I can clearly say the content is in that book or not, simply by seeing the index, right? And second is whenever I know content is present in that book. Now I want to go through the content, but I don't know the page number. So how to look? So go through the index and check for the page number. Such that when I know the page number, it is very easy to go to that page and check and to that content. But when I don't know the page number, what I have to do? I have to go through all the text present in all the pages of the document. I have to go through the each and every text present in the document to check whether the content is in this page or is in another page. So if I have 600 pages in the book, I have to go through all the pages to check my content, right? So it is very important to have an index paper for even a project paper. As project paper will have projects will have index paper, textbooks will have index paper. For a small notebook we will write, for small notebook you will write table of contents, that is nothing but index paper. So how to create an index paper for a document in MS Word by using MS Word? So for example, I am taking Basics of Computers as my title. In that, I am taking Unit 1 as Introduction of Computer. So, whenever we are writing the headings, we have to select the level of the text. In the Reference tab, under Add Text, I am selecting this as level 1 and I am taking Unit 1 as level 2. Here, we have 3 levels. You can select the levels. Now I am writing some text under Unit 1. Now I am taking Chapter 1, which is the sub-level of Unit 1. So I am selecting it as level 3 and writing text under this. Now how many levels I have created? 3 levels. Level 1, level 2 and level 3. Again I am taking Chapter 2 and select level. This is also comes under level 3. So now we have 2 chapters under Unit 1. This is level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 3. Now again I am taking Unit 2. It comes under level 2. Under this chapter 1, I am selecting this as level 3. So we have now 2 units under Basics of Computers. In first unit we have 2 chapters and in second unit we have 1 chapter. So I have written the document now. Now we have to create a table of contents. First, place the cursor where you want to create the index. I want the index at the first page. So I am inserting a page before the text. And now go to the Reference tab. From here we have different options like Automatic Table 1, Automatic Table 2 and Manual Table. For example, now I am taking Automatic Table 2. Now you can see here the index is created with their page numbers. You can observe. I am adding a page numbers. Now you can observe here we have. Now I am modifying the chapter name. Now I have changed the chapter name, but the table of contents are not changed. Now what to do? You have to select the update table. When you select the table, here we have update table. and in the reference tab also we have. And here we have again two options. Page numbers are not changed, content changed. So select update entire table. Now you can clearly observe that the table is changed. Now I am inserting one more page between 3 and 4th page. Now chapter 2 is present in 5th page instead of 4th page. But you can observe the table of contents are not changed. Now we have to update the table. Select update page number only. Now you observe table is changed, and if you want more levels, at present we have 3 levels. Then select custom table of contents. From here you can change levels. I am selecting 8. Now we have 8 levels. So here this is level 1, level 2, level 3. Like this you can give 8 levels. And if you select manual table, you have to type the index by yourself like this. You have to edit the name and page numbers. And if you want to remove the table, select remove table of contents. Like this, you can create the index and remove the. If you like the content and want to see the video in future, like the video such that it will be saved in liked videos. Subscribe and press bell icon for latest updates.